DIY what? So today I'm going to be showing how I did a farmhouse style stamped book stack. And this tutorial is going to be super short and it's super easy. So man, by the sounds of those sirens, it sounds like something crazy is going on out there. So anyways, back to the book stack. So the book stack, I got 3 books from the Dollar Tree, and I got, I already had a stamp set. So basically that's all you need. And any other little decor like twine or ribbon, you can also pick up from the Dollar Tree, which I already had twine and I already had ribbon. So those things you'll see, and I'll list all the items down below that I use. But it's really easy and really simple. So let's not waste any more time, guys. Let's DIY. And if you're returning and you have not already done so, make sure you click the bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video.